It's been a day since the MIUI 12 has launched on all the Redmi Note 8 Pro users. Because of that, the smartphone felt very much advanced, well featured, well been used. Many of the UI element changes has now been introduced. Lots of things has been fixed from last time, and for that there is one more thing, or you can say 10 more thing that I am going to say in this video about the unnoticed user feature thing that many users do not feel like checking it, or you can say they missed it because it's a regular thing and many of the users don't care about it, for example me. But because I'm making this video, I really need to be careful in order to select all the unique feature that this MIUI 12 has set up for you. So in this video I'll be talking about the 10 most unique features, or you can say the 10 most unnoticed feature about the MIUI 12. So without any further ado, let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe, share or like my channel if you do end up liking this video. So it's Nadir from IndiaSG, so let's get started.
I know your secrets, you know mine, and every inch of me is tight.
Okay, so before pursuing to the main video, I'll be not including this one more dramatic feature is about the notification shade and the separation of control center. Most of the YouTubers has got already the beta updates for their latest smartphone provided by Xiaomi. So these things are really skippable because notification shade and control center were the main highlight of this update, so I'll be not mentioning. So the first thing I'll be introducing is about the Note app. So if you go to the Note section, you're getting an ability to create folders. Yes, you heard me right, the ability to create folders was not been yet introduced in the last update, so now they have introduced it in MIUI 12. So now you get to create folders, like I said, within Notes and adding them later on. Not only that, you also get a schedule tasks tab option for task management with scheduled reminder settings. And again, since the app was too much boring for the users to create note and to write down any kind of note, they have also added 3 to 4 animated skins for your daily note taking days, just to add a touch of beauty, you could say. Second addition is the addition of floating window directly from the notification shade, where you can just drag and slide any pop-up notification to get floating window. And for other tricks like holding it around the corners to minimize it, you can also double tap on it to resize it. You can also long drag it to view the particular app in a full scale view mode. So now after updating MIUI 12, you get to see certain changes in the calling app. For example, now there is a color identification for all calls that is in green, and blue for all the calls that has been saved in the phone book area. So that's the kind of little tweak that MIUI 12 has given in these Xiaomi phones. It seems that MIUI 12 has added a quick toggle feature that you get to see a call area reminder bar for the top calls, top side of the display. To get you notice that there is a call going at the back, you need to just end it or just go back to it if it's important, then only. Basically speaking, this is not a feature, but it's an eye-dropping thing, like it's a UI element, or you can say a interface change. Like you get to see a more fluidity thing on MIUI 12, and it's massive. It's just like using a 75Hz display panel in a 60Hz display phone. And yes, it's so smooth, and I really love the animation that this system enhanced animation interface has given after this MIUI 12 update on Redmi Note 8 Pro series. So now coming to the sixth feature, it's very much small, but yet it's very much helpful, like the Wi-Fi change. If you go to the setting menu, then enable the Wi-Fi option, you get to see connected Wi-Fi that will be displayed with blue box along with refreshing animated icon element for addition of available networks. Besides, you also get all the information related to your connected Wi-Fi network by just clicking on the right arrow beside the blue box for advanced detail like connection speed, networks, then bandwidth, and all kind of details related to the Wi-Fi networks. Okay, so the seventh great unnoticed feature will be in the Bluetooth part. And now if you select any added Bluetooth device, a blue notification highlight appears, and it makes it as if it just hovers over that particular option with a blue color hovering filter to make it more stealthy and dynamic. That makes it a great user experience, which for the user is better, like connecting more Bluetooth devices than usual. Now, the 8 most and crucial important change you get in the battery and performance section. So there is now a great UI elementary change in the battery and performance option. Like if you go to settings and go to that battery and performance, you can see some kind of battery meter to display the level of your battery, that it indicates that option. And yes, you can now optimize it by hitting the optimize button with the best ever interface change. In addition, you get ultra battery saver mode to make the phone running all day with a new battery animated stats and graphs that is so freaking exciting. And I love to see those stats every time because it's so much loving to see all that animated cool things there. Okay, so I must say that MI UI 12 brings the best feature in class is the privacy feature. Now you can decide which privacy access you want to choose for any app. Like you can decide on your own to give your choice of privacy accessibility to any app, and really that helps because you're no longer forced to give all privacy access feature to any app, and that's a too much help from Xiaomi including this kind of feature. If any app forces you to do that, you can really shut down it and manually select your privacy settings if you go in the settings tab. Okay, so the last 10th major changes you will get to see in a security app like Cleaner. Get great visual UI changes with their partners like Security Scan, Boost, Speed and Deep Clean, along with optimized section of the phone. Major improvements, you can also say that its UI changed a lot, and that's totally cool. And I must say that now you're really will be eager to use your smartphone more often than usual because this system animated specific engine introduced in the MIUI 12 will help you to do everything in a cool and animated way, and really it will help you a lot to engage in your task that you are doing on your smartphone. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you have liked all the 10 basic hidden feature of MIUI 12, or you can say unnoticed feature for the user, and that I have been uploading it in the video. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to the channel, and hope you press the bell icon to get notified for my each upload, since I'm uploading videos pretty much each week now and kind of you can say consistent. So guys, it's Nadir from India. She's just signing out. Till then, keep calm and have a great day.